Blessings, people. We're going with you. So yes, guys, you know, so June Plum gone back home to Queenie. So Queenie put out a video, so she apologized to June Plum mother. She said the only person she apologized, so she not apologize to nobody else. I don't know, so Queenie not really apologize to people, you know, but she be the bigger person and she apologized to June Plum mother. So guys, I'm gonna make you go over and watch the video. So before, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Wanna wait for and put on your post notifications, you know, each time I upload a video. So let's go over and listen to what Queenie have to say.
R.I.P. my pitney. If you did there, you'd have said, Mom! I'm gonna say, Rachel, you know me not sorry for no decision me make. Any decision me make, good or bad, me cope with it. Get up, stand up for your right, Queenie. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, Queenie. Don't give up the fight. Mr. Thick and tired after him, kiss him. Listen, me not sorry for what me do. And I will tell you over and over again. I want somebody me go get apology to is Odette, Dwayne's mom. And out of respect and the fact that it's my husband, mom, even though I get upset and print out her name, I'm not sorry, but I will apologize. Whether she want to take it or not, I apologize. Me, now me could have called me down and cow down for cow down on the way.